Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to cut and sew a sweetheart neckline. It's going to have basket waistline in front, and I'm going to use this small piece of Duchess material to achieve this style that we are making today. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, let me know what you think about my tutorial. And guys, if you're interested to know how to make this kind of style, please keep on watching, and let's get started now with our tutorial for today. Don't forget we are making a sweetheart neckline that's going to have V shape in front, and it's going to also have a puff sleeve on it. So I'm going for my width, which is my 11 inch. Okay, so I will draw a straight line. And guys, we are making the front piece first. Okay, so that's the straight line. That's where we are going to start our measurement from. Remember, I'm going to remove 5 inch for my tape rule because I'm making an off shoulder top. So the length of my is by 19 inch. That is the length of my top. Okay, so I'm drawing a straight line. All right, so this is the front piece that we are making. So I will go by 3.5 inch for my neckline. All right, don't forget it's a sweetheart neckline in the front, while the depth of my neckline I'm going by 2 inch. All right, so that's the 2 inch for the depth of my neckline. So I'll just give a curve for that. Okay, so please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today. All right, so now is my armhole, which is by 1.5 inch. Okay, so I'll just give a curve for that. All right, so I'm going for my half length now. So that's my half length, which is by 15 inch. So I'm marking 15 inch for my half length. So that's my half length, which is 15 inch. So I'll just draw a straight line. My bust is by 36 inch. So I'm going by 36 inch for my bust. Then I will now add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. So my waistline is 28 inch. Then I'll add 1 inch for my dart. Then I also add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. Please, I hope you are following up, guys. Remember, it's going to have V shape in front. So I will mark 3 inch to get my V shape in front. So what I will do now, I will just connect all the marks together. So guys, please don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe now. Okay, so this is how to give your V shape in front. So I'm using my ruler to curve it to give that V shape in front. So the next step now is for me to cut it out. Alright, don't forget you are making the front piece. So you can please click the red button under my video to subscribe now. You can like, comment, and for you to support this channel to grow, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. Is another way for you to support my channel to grow. You can also check my other tutorials that I have on my channel so that you can also learn the other styles that we have already. So I really want this channel to grow this year, and we can do that together by watching all my tutorials down to the end. It's another way for you to support this particular channel to grow, and I really want this channel to grow, guys. So don't forget we are making this style that has V shape in front. It's going to also have puff sleeve on it, and it's an off shoulder top, and I'm using Duchess material to achieve this style that we are making today. So the next step is the back piece. So we are going to use the front piece to cut the back piece. So I'm adding 1 inch for my zipper because it's going to have zipper at the back. So that's the 1 inch for the zipper. So what I will do now, I'll just cut it out because we are using the front piece to cut the back piece. So you can see how beautiful and how simple the style is. So all you need to do is for you to follow the procedure that we are using to cut this particular style that we are making today, and you are going to achieve your own after watching this tutorial down to the end. Just follow this pattern that we are using. You are going to see that it's very simple for you to cut and sew it on your own, and you can wear it out on your high waist skirts, you can wear it out on your high waist jean. It's a very simple and unique style for you to cut and sew, and it's a trendy style. So now I'm going to cut the back. So I'm going by 1.5 inch for the depth of my neckline at the back, and it's a round neck at the back. So what I'll do now, just cut it out. That is the back neckline. Alright, so please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of this style that we are making today, and I'm going to also teach you guys how to cut and sew the puff sleeve that we are going to attach to the top that we are making today. It's a very unique and a simple style for you to learn how to cut and sew on your own. So just keep on watching this tutorial down to the end so that you can see the way we are going to cut the sleeve that we are cutting to. This an off shoulder sleeve that we are going to attach on it, and it's going to have a puff sleeve on it. Alright, so this is the sleeve that we are cutting. We are cutting the two sleeves together. The width is by 9 inch. Okay, so I will mark 4 inch for the shoulder, while the length is by 8 inch. Okay, I'm marking 5 inch for my armhole. So guys, this is how to cut and sew your off shoulder sleeve. Okay, you can see how simple it is. So we are connecting all the marks together. So after that, I'm going to run a stitch on it, and we are going to use our elastic to pass through it so that it can puff out, because it's going to have a puff on it. And after that, we are going to attach it to the main top that we are making today. So this is how to cut it. So you can see I've run a stitch on it, I've ironed it. So now I'm going to use my elastic to pass through it so that it can puff out. So this is how to go about it when making your own. I hope you are following up, guys, and I hope you are enjoying today's tutorial. So please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making. So after attaching the sleeve on the top, we are going to also wear it out so that you can see the fitness of the top that we are making today. So this is the sleeve. Now we are going to attach it now. So guys, you can see how beautiful our outfit came out, very unique, and you can see how simple it is for you to cut and sew it on your own. I hope you understood today's tutorial, and please keep a date with me again. So don't forget, we made use of touches material to achieve this style, and it's an off shoulder top that has a V-shape waistline on it, and the sleeve, it has puff sleeve on it. So please don't forget to subscribe now, like and comment, and please you can watch my other tutorial now.